That's 1 cup of my whipped pistachio frosting. Now I'm gonna come in with some whipped cream cheese, just to give this an even creamier flavor. I've got some pistachio jello. Now this is sugar-free. I couldn't find the regular kind. And I'm just gonna put in a touch of whole milk. Look at that beautiful green color. I've got a little bit of chopped pistachios and I'm gonna put those right in there. I'm reserving some of this though. And I've got just a little bit diced up Ghirardelli bar. And actually I'm gonna put all of that in there. I love chocolate with pistachios, y'all. Oh my God. Whoop. This is just like a Dubai chocolate bar, but you can make it at home, make it so much more cost effective. Yummy. And I'm gonna start just mixing this all together, y'all. Oh my God, I don't know about you, but I love pistachio. It's so yummy. And like I said, those Dubai chocolates are just all the rage. But now you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for it because you can just make a version of it right at home. Ooh, this looks so good. It's thick, it smells amazing. It's gonna be super creamy and delicious, a little bit of crunch with those chocolate pieces and our pistachios in there. I'm gonna add just a little bit more milk. And don't worry, y'all. I know this is looking a little thick at the moment, but we're gonna be adding one more thing that's gonna kind of bring it all home and incorporate it. All right, I've just got some whip topping here. Basically the store brand version of Cool Whip. And this is just a small 8-ounce container. And I'm gonna put this whole thing in and let's get this kind of incorporated. I'm gonna fold it in gently so we don't lose all the air from that Cool Whip. Of course, you can make your own homemade with heavy whipping cream and a little bit of powdered sugar and all that, but I am just going for it here with my delicious whip topping. And it's gonna thin this out. It's gonna give that pistachio flavor a little bit of distillation and just mix everything in together more and allow this to go a little farther. Look, we took the green color just like down a notch, which I don't mind. I think it's very cute and actually so appropriate with St. Patrick's Day coming up. Alrighty, I'm bringing in my little muffin tin here with my muffin holes, and I've got my Keebler Ready Crust little miniature pie crust here. So cute. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. I've never noticed on the packaging there that it's not in the silver pie crust container, but I've never thought to take them out of here. So also, y'all, if you use these, tell me if that's a recent change that it doesn't show them in the silver, because now I'm curious. Alrighty, we're just coming in now with our gorgeous pistachio mixture. Like I said, perfect for the upcoming holiday of St. Patty's Day, but also just anytime you're doing kind of a green celebration. Perfect for a kid's wicked birthday party. A Shrek swamp pie. Oh my God, that's brilliant. Y'all, I am so excited. These are just looking so, so good. Alrighty, y'all. I just smoothed these out to edge in my pies. Now I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for a couple hours to let it set completely. Alrighty, y'all. We had these just chilling in the fridge. 2 hours, we wanted to solidify this a little bit. I am just going to put a little bit of whipped cream on top of each one. Did you hear that? The pitter patter of little feet joining us from all directions of the house, all different rooms. Could you hear Tucker just now? He was like, makes like. The whipped cream tax. Not to be confused with the cheese tax, but they like that one too. All right, I'm just gonna use a little bit of that chocolate bar that I used earlier to put inside that I had chopped up into pieces, and just put a little bit of chocolate shavings right on top of all these delicious little miniature pies, pistachio pies. I was gonna say Dubai chocolate pies, but then I second guessed myself that that's what they were called. Just Dubai mini pies. All right, and now I'm just gonna use a little bit of my pistachio crumbled pieces here. Yum. Check that out. This is looking so pretty. What an elevated a little dessert to just share with your family and friends. Perfect for a party. Perfect for the summer. Perfect to treat yourself. I keep seeing those Dubai chocolate bars at the store and I constantly think about getting them, but then I don't. But you know what? No, I don't need to. I made my own version right here at home. Yum. Great. Moment of truth. I'm gonna give this a little taste. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is delicious. Wow. You've definitely got to try it.